All right, it's Sunday, May 29th, and I'm on a tornado-warned storm outside of Morris, Texas. It's in the Panhandle. We've got plenty of rotation here. I'm gonna get a time-lapse, which should show the rotation better. So I'm gonna set up my tripod, and we'll get that time-lapse going here now. So the tornado warning expired, and there's an easterly cell and a westerly cell. The westerly cell is becoming the dominant cell, and looks like the hail core is becoming larger, and the cloud tops, the echo tops, are taller now. So we're gonna go check that storm out. There's a lot of storms going up in the general area. It looks like they're all gonna form into kind of like a larger linear type pattern later on this evening, but hoping to stay on some storms that are staying, like generally discreet, to see what happens. So we're gonna move up, see what happens on this cell here. All right, so we had a brief tornado. It quickly went tornado warned. There was so much rotation. So I got that on time lapse. You can see the spin up in the kind of like bottom left of the frame. So we're gonna keep moving. I'm gonna try and get some 360 footage from it, and yeah, get to the next spot. All right, so this storm is still tornado warned. There was that brief spin up earlier. I'm gonna do a time lapse just to get a little bit more of the rotation of the storm. So I'll do that, and then there's a line of storms moving this way. So once I feel like once it interferes with this isolated storm, it's going to be game over for this cell. So I don't know if it's going to do it again. It's definitely rotating quite a bit. So I'll get a time lapse going so you can see the rotation. So we lost a tornado warning on this cell. There's still plenty of rotation. I'm gonna get a time lapse going here, but there's most of the rotation's like right around this general area. It's moving southerly now. So yeah, I'm gonna get a quick time lapse. There's a little bit of structure. The lighting's not the best, but yeah, let's get it. All right, we got another funnel developing right here. Rapid rotation. There goes a tornado warning. My phone's going off like crazy. All right, so that tornado was just outside of, just north of Cactus, Texas, in the Panhandle. Was not expecting that whatsoever. That was a pretty photogenic tornado there, and it looks like it happened over, you know, farmland. So I don't think anything was destroyed or damaged. So that's always the best case scenario. We are like, gosh, we're really close to it. So I'm gonna keep filming because there's still a ton of rotation. There's still a tornado warning on this cell here. So we're gonna keep the footage going. Just a quick update from me. So we'll see what happens. It's been a very unexpected day. It's SPC has a 0% chance for tornadoes today, but the Panhandle kind of does what it wants. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Some insane structure, tornado. Wow, this video is not doing it justice. I need to back off a little bit. We're gonna get south of it, get back into the structure. This is wild. We are just north of Cactus, Texas right now, and this video doesn't do it justice because it's cropped in at 4K. I'm gonna do a time lapse here in a little bit. Just wow, so many beautiful colors. What an awesome storm. All right, let's get a time lapse going. There's some lightning. Whew. What a great chase.